Well, hello guys, welcome back. It's been a little bit since I've done a farming video, but we're back. Got the 435 here. Got it on the old what? But, yep. Dad's somewhere back there somewhere. Yes, I can, okay. He's somewhere back there. And then we got the KW through the trees. You can't see it. There you go, kinda. But I just came over here. Not really sure if we're gonna do much for this first little bit. Might record something from in the cab, but jump up there. I don't see anybody coming. And I'm gonna go wait over by the truck, and I'll pick the camera up when something interesting starts happening. Okay, we're walking back this way. He is going to cut down that way, because wheat's doing pretty good this year. He can only make it down one way, so we're gonna put the 435 on the other side of the field. This thing's a bit wider than the 620 that we had on the cart last year. I don't like this door. Okay, I got it. Good enough. Let the bug out. Oh, you stupid bug. There. Alright. There she goes. Okay, I'll pick the camera up when we get into the field, because it is a tiny bit of a... It's a little bit of a wedge or something, I don't know the word. Okay, we made it through. And we're gonna bring this down there. There he is with the combine. Rip! Trying not to hit the straw. So, yeah. Comparing this thing to the 620, this thing's a lot wider. Well, might have a bump up here. Seat clicks a lot, I will say that. There's a post. Don't want to hit that, okay. That would not be fun to hit. We're gonna go around it. Alright, that'll work. But I will pick the camera up when we get to the other end of the field, because it's a pretty long way. Okay, it's been a little bit. Probably about, I don't know, I don't have a clock. Probably about an hour. And he's made a couple more passes, and then we did around the field. He is right there. So, yeah. Cart is pretty much full. So I'm bringing that over there by the white truck. So, oh, still zoomed in a bit. Okay. But, yep. Pretty comfy in here. Got the footrests. So, yeah. Not the smoothest ride I've ever driven, but definitely a good one. So, I'll pick the camera up when we get down there, or when he's unloading the cart, because I'm not gonna unload with this, because it's got duals. We gotta get really close to the truck. So, yeah. I'll pick the camera up when we get down there. Okay, it has been a bit. Still not rotating, whatever. But got a good amount cut here. There's Dad with the combine, and then the 435 with the cart. Got a good bit of this baled up. So, Yep. But, not quite sure what we're doing now. I need to go pick up Grandpa real quick. He's got the Western Star. So, I'll pick the phone up sometime. So, yeah. Well, it's been about an hour-ish since I last picked up the camera. There's the combine coming over the hill. And then that field back there. My uncle's planting stubble beans. So, hopefully they get some moisture. Hopefully. So, yeah. Hopefully. 4:35 over here by the fence line. So, sun hurts my eyes. Jeez. Okay. Them, you can dump in the cart. But, right now I'm just waiting. And I'm going to get in the combine. So, yeah. But, I'll pick the camera up in a bit. Or tomorrow. Sometime in the next 24 hours. So, yeah. Yay, we're done for the day. That last clip was a lie. We're not done for the night. Gotta make sure I don't hit bales. Gotta bring the combine over there by the truck. Because there's still some in here. It didn't all fit on the cart. So, get a little more juice. How'd the auger out yet? It's fine, we're just going over here. There's Dad with the cart. It's really full, so he just told me to drive the combine back. So, I ain't got no problem with this thing. This thing rides smooth. Yeah. I will pick the camera up when we are unloading or something like that. So, yeah. It is the next day. We got the combine sitting over there. We are not combining today. Rained a little bit last night, so not doing that. But we are unloading bales that we got from another farm, dry enough up there. So we're bringing them, we're putting them here. So that is going to be the end of today's video. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Goodbye.